In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Windows 11 lagging and slow problem effectively in just 5 minutes. If you've noticed that your Windows 11 system is sluggish and not performing up to par, these steps can help you get back to optimum performance without much hassle. Let's start by managing startup programs. First, open Task Manager by pressing Ctrl, Shift, and Escape simultaneously. This nifty shortcut gives you a direct way to monitor and manage your system's performance. Once Task Manager is open, head over to the Startup tab. Here, you'll see a list of programs that start up with your system. It's a good idea to disable any unnecessary programs, particularly those that are labeled as having a high impact. You can do this by simply right-clicking on the program and selecting Disable. This action prevents those programs from launching automatically and consuming resources every time you start your computer, which can significantly improve your system's speed. Next, we'll adjust your system's performance settings. Press the Windows key on your keyboard, type sysdm.cpl, and hit Enter. This command will open up the System Properties window. Navigate to the Advanced tab and under the Performance section, click on Settings. Here, select the option for Adjust for Best Performance. This selection disables many of the visual effects that can bog down your system, allowing your computer to run more efficiently. Now, let's free up some disk space. Search for Disk Cleanup using the Start menu. Disk Cleanup is a built-in tool that allows you to delete unnecessary files and free up space on your hard drive. Once it's open, select the drive you want to clean. Typically, this will be your C drive. After selecting the drive, you'll see a list of file types that you can delete, such as temporary files, system cache, and more. Check the boxes next to these file types you wish to remove, and then click OK to begin the cleanup. This process helps to ensure that your system is not bogged down with superfluous files that contribute to the slowdown. These steps should help alleviate the lagging issues on your Windows 11 system effectively. Remember, maintaining your system regularly by managing startup programs, tweaking performance settings, and tidying up disk space can keep your computer running smoothly and efficiently. Try to perform a disk cleanup periodically to keep everything in top shape. Thank you for tuning in today, and I hope you find these tips helpful in boosting your system's performance.